Hi, my name is Stefano. I'm the head chef of Barge East. I'm under 18 years old Dutch barge, and today I'm gonna try for the first time the Sakai Kyuba knives. This is the Gyuta knife. The handle feels very nice, very smooth. The octagon is my favorite kind of handle. Let's give it a try. I was about to do like a classic.
Oh, probably not.
It worked very well.
Okay. Okay, good.
It's very sharp. Nice. So once here.
Maybe.
The best trick that I found out that is actually, as funny as it can look, it actually works, is wearing goggles. That's the only way you can actually cut onion and not cry. All the other thing, having the spoon in your mouth, nah, it doesn't work.
Doesn't work. You have Japanese knives as well. Like, how did you come across Japanese knives?
I think in a professional kitchen it's very, it's very easy because it's like for Ferrari for a race car. You come across to Japanese knife.
Perfect. Okay, and in that case, any like tips on how to like look after Japanese knives?
I always take care of myself. I never let none of my team. I mean, only my trusted guys. And I always wash it thoroughly. No using soapy water, hot water. It's just like very nice soft sponge. I just don't want to ruin anything, and I'm quite picky in a way that I really like the shine of the Damascus knife, and I really like to keep it that way. So yeah, I think that was the best, and especially has to be dry properly. That's, I think, would be the best thing for doing a knife. And some, of course, sharpening with whetstones. That would be the only way forward. No steel. It's just like you can end up to ruin the edge, and you're gonna smear it, and I don't like it. You lose all the shine, and that an artisan works so hard to give it.
And how do you store your knives?
I have a little leather pouch, so I wear all of them in there. We have a specific tray in the kitchen only for that, just because it's one person at a time. Every night stop working, clean only knives, just because we like it. We like to keep it that way, nice, brand new and sharp.
And what like advice would you give to someone that's like a home cook that's looking to buy a knife? What should they focus on?
I think this is the perfect knife for the beginners, because this one is a bit more, you can do everything. Even though, I have to say, my girlfriend would rather much prefer something like this. She thinks that the size would scare her very much, so she goes for something a bit smaller, but equally very sharp and pretty useful. But from a professional point of view, I would say, not do the same job as a knife like this would do. So I think this one would be the first knife to buy, and this one would be right behind it.
Many.
Yeah.
So go on.
Oh, I was like, for someone very passionate or like home cook, I would recommend this one, the Nikiri. Personally, it's one of my favorite knives for vegetables. I use it very often. I have one myself, and it's just very useful. The shape, and it's just very good for any chopping jobs that has to be done in the kitchen.